Hi everyone, Salina here from Shiseido Training and Education, and I'm here today to talk to you about my favorite skincare product, Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. I love using Ultimune in the morning and the evening before my serums and moisturizers. I use it as a pre-treatment because it actually helps those products to work even better. Plus, in the daytime, it helps my makeup wear smoother and last even longer. It's great for all skin types, so basically everyone can use it. All you need is 2 pumps. I like to warm it between my fingers and then apply it on my forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then I'll do light sweeping motions, working from the top down to the bottom. It also has aromatology in it, so when you breathe in, you're gonna smell rose and lotus extract, which is not only gonna calm your skin, but it's going to calm your mind. My skin feels so smooth and looks so radiant. This is why Ultimune is my must-have skincare product.